Okay, so my friends finally made it over and we started our D&D campaign that we've been planning for weeks. Like it feels like months. So we started Grammy's country apple pie, but we didn't actually finish. There's all the miniatures. It was a huge map. I really should have taken a picture of it. And we didn't finish the adventure. So I need to clean my Mondo mat. Here's the problem. When I started cleaning the mat, I made a white spot. And I don't know if you can tell, but now this side looks filthy dirty and this side looks white. It had been a while since I really cleaned it. So I also had run out of my vis-a-vis pens that were all the different colors because it's been so long since we played D&D, trying to show off my D&D tattoo there. It had been so long since we had played D&D at my house on my mat. My vis-a-vis had all dried up. So I used dry erase. Don't shoot me. You're not supposed to use dry erase on this. Look at that darkness. So anyway, I went online looking for how to clean these battle mats because it had been a minute and I was used to you just use hot water, like take it with you in the shower or anyway, that wasn't working. So what did work and made this half white spot is nail polish remover, the acetone nail polish remover. So I'm heading out. It's gonna spread this mat because this is the Mondo mat. I don't know if you could see how big it is. It's my whole entire table. Anyway, I'm heading out to my back porch. Gonna spread this out and finish cleaning it with nail polish remover, and hopefully the whole thing will look brand spanking new. Oh, how appropriate. I'm wearing a dragon tank top to clean my Dungeons and Dragons battle mat.